this video we will see the point filters in Tcp PointCloud Editor. The color filter allows us to select points with a color similar to the designated one. We zoom in an area, and with the dropper we identify a point of the sports court in blue. Now we test with the hue, saturation and value controls, and in real time we see the result. We apply and select the points that meet the criteria. We see that other methods of graphical selection are by point, circle or rectangle. The selection by elevation allows you to filter the points that are between a desired range of elevation, which we can write or select graphically on a front view. Selecting points using cloth simulation or CSF is very useful for removing points that do not belong to the terrain. We specify the parameters that we consider appropriate for this case and execute the filter. We see that many of the points belonging to trees, vehicles, streetlights and buildings have been selected. If we delete the points, we see that most of the rest can be considered to belong to the terrain. Next, we will create a grid with these points, indicating the value of the cell size and other parameters.